Bonjour, hi, and welcome to my apartment atelier. It's been a little while, but I'm glad to be back at my workbench. I took January off to gather my thoughts and plan out my projects for 2021. I'm excited to get going on a group of projects that will eventually make up a series that I'm calling Historybounding My Portrait Doppelgänger. Last year, during a sleepless night, I tried out that thing on the Google Arts and Culture app, where you take a selfie and see how well it matches up with works of art in museums all around the world. I didn't get any decent matches, though I did experience some amusement at being matched to a portrait of one of my ancestors. Of all the paintings on my list of supposed doppelgangers, there was only one that truly intrigued me: Young Woman in the Woods by Jean-Baptiste Camicoro. I absolutely adore her outfit, which according to Google Arts and Culture is accurate to the traditional folk dress of Italian peasant women. I immediately wondered if there was some way I could do a whole portrait doppelganger outfit, but from a history-bounding approach, instead of making it true to the artwork for a stepped-out-of-the-painting look. Basically, instead of making an historical reproduction, I wanted to make an outfit that I could wear in my everyday 21st century life that would still emulate historical fashion. I also wanted pieces that I could wear together or separately. I'm going to start with the white shift that she's wearing as her base layer, but I'll be adding some length and poof to the sleeves since that's my personal preference. My idea with this piece is to make a garment that can be worn not just as a base layer, but also as an actual shirt or even a lightweight dress under an apron or pinafore. Alright, let's see how this goes. As you can probably guess, I'm quite thrilled with how this came out. It's not perfect, but that's totally fine. I'm learning as I go, and the sense of satisfaction and accomplishment I'm getting from completing this garment far outweighs any desire to nitpick all the small things that I could have done better. I do hope you enjoyed your visit today. Follow me on Instagram if you'd like to keep up on real-time progress on my future projects, and I hope you'll drop by again. À la prochaine.
Boris, come on.